Hey there, podcast enthusiasts and Elementor users. In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to embed your Buzzsprout podcast player right into your Elementor-powered website, making it super easy for your audience to listen in. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page where you want to embed your player, then click Edit with Elementor. Once in the Elementor Editor, let's get the right tools in the left-hand panel. Search for the HTML widget. You'll find it under the Elements section. Drag and drop this widget onto your desired section of the page. Now, open your Buzzsprout account and select the podcast episode you want to embed. Look for the Embed option, usually found towards the bottom of the episode settings. Buzzsprout provides a simple way to get this ready. Buzzsprout will give you a snippet of code. Just copy it. This code is what lets your podcast player play on your website. Go back to your Elementor editor and paste the copied code into the HTML widget's content area. This field is where you will put all the elements in order for your podcast to play. Boom! Your Buzzsprout podcast player should now appear on your Elementor page. You can customize the appearance of the player within your Buzzsprout settings, things such as the player's color, adjust size also. Click Update to save your changes. Your podcast is now live on your website. It's that easy to increase accessibility and attract more listeners. Thanks for tuning in.